The wise men followed the star and found Christ who is light from light. May we too find the Lord when our pilgrimage is ended. Like the Magi, may we also journey and be attentive, untiring, and courageous on the path to find the invisible God who was born among us, says Pope Francis. As we'll be praying this Sunday in the Collect, O God, by leading of a star, you manifested your only Son to the peoples of the earth. Lead us who know you now by faith to your presence, where we may see your glory face to face. Through Jesus Christ, our Lord. Arise, shine, for your light has come. The glory of the Lord dawned upon you. Isaiah 60, chapter 1. In the Gospel of Matthew, the story of the Magi echoes the gift brought to New Jerusalem in Isaiah, and the clear idea of a sudden illuminating idea that sparks up to move in different direction. The appearance of the star suggests that Magi were astrologers who scanned the heavens for signs of things to come. They found it on a clear night, a small light in the darkness of a vast sky, and they decided to set off immediately to see where it led. When they came upon the newborn king, Matthew the evangelist records, they were so overcome with joy that they fell to the ground in praise. It is we who are surprised. The infant occupant of this table is not the mighty warrior we might have expected in the King of the Jews. In telling his story, Matthew gives us an epiphany. Our perspective has changed. This God looked like us. Epiphany calls for us to go on knees, not just looking at the star, looking for some type of sign. Those three kings or magi's knelt in awe and wonder, in prayer, before the child Jesus, who is light of the world. The wise men followed the star and found Christ who is light from light. May we too find the Lord when our pilgrimage is ended. God of all, be our daily star that guides our lives as we search for your love. May we always follow your light of truth in all that we do, forever trusting, hoping, and believing in your word. Lift our eyes to the heavens, so we too may follow your guiding star as we travel home to you. Epiphany is a Christian feast that celebrates the Incarnation, in particular the revelation to mankind that God took on human form. What epiphanies, aha moments, has happened in our lives? Do we think God had anything to do with it? God revealed the divine birth to Magi, to the stars, because that's where they looked for signs. Where would God reveal something to us? Where do we look for God in our lives?